Here they come, the 2026 Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Redarrows. As the team heads skywards, you'll see them change formation into 7 Arrow. Reaching the top of the loop on this beautiful day, they're approximately a mile high, nearly 6,000 feet. Slowing to 120 miles an hour, they'll get their first chance to look back at all of us watching.
Take off, go!
Leading the formation as it twists to the right is Wing Commander John Bond, referred to by the pilots as Boss. Bondy's in his final year leading the team, and when he leaves will have completed an incredible 8 display seasons, flying in various positions within the team, making him one of the most experienced Redarrows display pilots ever. Flying just 8 feet away on his right-hand side is Flight Lieutenant Rob Thomas. Rob's been an operational Typhoon pilot as well as flying the Hawk T-165 in Saudi Arabia. As the smoke comes back on and the jets sweep in from the right-hand side, the aim of the first half is to have all aircraft fly as one. They do this by listening to the commands from the team leader. On the left-hand side is Flight Lieutenant Andy McEwen, Red 3. Andy's former AV-8B pilot and has also flown the F-35B 5th generation stealth fighter from RAF Marham. Watch now as the wings slide backwards in a cadence honed over winter training into a formation shape that represents an iconic aircraft that first flew commercially 50 years ago. As the aircraft roll out towards us, look for the shape of Concorde. As they fly into the vertical, the pilot is experiencing 4G. The aircraft will also change shape into Eagle. The loop and twist you've just witnessed require immense skill from the pilots. The aircraft we fly are more akin in age to Concorde, and unlike the Typhoon and F-35, do not have supported flying controls. This makes the smooth flying required in formation even more impressive. They're now in their longest shape with Red 7 dropping right to the back. Wherever they are in formation, the pilots are always taking their references off the team leader. Keep watching now with a splash of colour. This is Blackbird.